Hello, this is John with Just Add Software, and we are at the EHX show today with Just Add Power, and we are demonstrating the capabilities of Just Add Power's video matrix and video wall capabilities, along with Media Switcher from Just Add Software and our ability to dynamically scale and control a video wall. So what we've got here is we've got 9 TV screens running on the Just Add Power HDMI video matrix showing different content. We can easily change any of these screens to other content. So we're going to put the center one here over onto Apple TV, and that is how quick we are able to do HDMI switching. We can handle literally any number of video sources to any number of video screens. There are really no true practical limits. It's only limited by the size of the network capacity and the switches that are put into the installation. So let's take a look at the capabilities of what we can do with the video wall and how we can control this, all from an easy-to-use, software-driven interface. So here is our graphical representation of our 9 screens, and we can come over here and enable this wall, this window here. We set up how many rows we want for our video wall, how many columns, and we can just then press a button, and in seconds here, we will now have a complete composite image spread across all 9 of these screens. We can very easily take any screen out of video wall mode and put it onto something else. We can then take and put a video in the center. We can take out another screen as well. So it ends up being very flexible, very scalable. We can put this back in. And now we are back to the full video wall. We can also take and dynamically resize this wall, either by changing the number of rows or the number of columns here in the pull-down menus. All right, now we've just squashed this and put it down to another source in 2 rows. Not quite the right aspect ratio, but it conveys the purpose. We can also do a shift, click, and drag with the mouse to what screens we want for the video wall. And now, as you can see, we have a 2x2 video wall in this corner and other content displaying on all the other screens. We can support up to, from anything from a 2x2 video wall up to 16 rows and 16 columns, or 256 screens. We can move this wall image around. We can just grab it, drop it where we want it to be, and in seconds here, we will have this image moved down to the other corner of the wall. And we can then just take and remove it. We'll go back to normal, and there we are. So it's very easy, very flexible, very fast, and we can also take simple string inputs from other control systems where we can just tell that from the other control system, send this command to Media Switcher, and then Media Switcher will take care of all the configuration and the settings and applying the video wall. Easy to do, simple, and fast.